Hello students, I welcome you all in this video. In this video we are going to learn about SYGC secretarial practice. We have already completed our first chapter, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance, and then we have started with the second chapter, that is Sources of Corporate Finance. And in this video also we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is Sources of Corporate Finance, and we are going to discuss about financial institutions. So basically in this financial institution, so you just have to remember the name of the institutions, okay, and no need to explain all the institutions work. You just have to remember the full form of all institutions. Basically when you talk about financial institutions, so it is also a source of fund to the company. So whenever company required fund, company can take the loan from financial institution. सो डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग। तो एज यू कैन सी हियर, ये जितना भी मैटर है आपकी बुक के अंदर दिया हुआ है। तो फर्स्ट इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी वाज डिक्लेयर्ड इन 1948 फॉर रैपिड इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट इन द कंट्री। ओके, सो फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ रैपिड इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट, फास्ट इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट, इसके लिए एक पॉलिसी पास हुआ इन द ईयर 1948। द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट have established special financial institution for providing industrial finance. Okay, so central government and state government together, they have established special financial institutions for providing industrial finance. That means central government and state government together, they have established one special financial institution, those who provide the financial support to the industries. Okay, these institutions provide medium and long term finance. Okay, so these industries provide medium to long term finance to the corporate. The assistance of these institutions has become important for new companies as well as ongoing companies. Now if you talk about financial institution, so financial institution helps financially to the existing companies and new companies also. Okay, now as you can see here, financial institutions are classified into four categories as follows. So you can see here there are four categories. As you can see here. So first is development bank, second is financial institutions, then investment institutions and state level institutions. So let's discuss it one by one. So first thing is given when you talk about development banks. So you can see here IDBI, that is Industrial Development Bank of India, IFSCI, ICICI, SIDBI and IRBI. So you just have to remember the full form of all the name, all the development banks. And then financial institution RCTC, TD, ICI, TFCI, and then investment institutions LIC, UTI, GIC, then state level institution SFC and SIDC. So we are going to see one by one. सबसे पहला we are going to talk about what? We are going to talk about development banks. Okay. So development banks. First, IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. Second, Industrial Finance Corporation of India Limited, IFCI. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICICI. Small Industrial Development Bank of India, SIDBI, SIDBI. Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India. Now if you see here, so you can come to know that one word is common in all the institutions. See here, this industry, this is also industry, industries and industrial. That means development banks help financially to the industries. So whenever industries need money to run their industry, so they can take loan from financial institution. Now let's talk about financial institutions. So Risk Capital and Technology Finance Corporation Limited, RCTC, Technology Development and Information Company of India Limited, TDICI, and last one, Tourism Finance Corporation of India Limited, TFCI. So these are the financial institutions also. Now let's talk about investment institutions. So when we talk about investment institutions, so you can see here three institutions: Life Insurance Corporation of India, that is LIC, Unit Trust of India, UTI, and General Insurance Corporation of India, GIC. ओके तो सबको पता है व्हाट इज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, वेयर यू कैन परचेस लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज. ओके, यूनिट ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया मीन्स व्हाट, they are nothing but a mutual fund where they collect money from different people and they invest those money in a, and they invest those money to purchase the share of the company. Okay, now General Insurance Corporation of India, this is also investment institutions. Now let's talk about state level institutions. So only two state level institutions are there. First, State Finance Corporation (SFC) and second, State Industrial Development Corporation (SIDC). Okay, थोड़ा आगे देखते हैं. Above mentioned institutions provide financial assistance in the following forms. That means financial institutions also helps to the corporate or to the organization in following ways. कौन सा ways है, let's see now. First thing, to provide term lending facilities. Term lending facilities means what? Financial institution provides a loan to the corporate or to industries. Second one, to subscribe to share and debentures. Okay, so one thing we know that financial institutions help financially and to provide loans to the industries or corporates, but at the same time they also help by purchasing share and debentures of the company. Underwrite the issue of securities. Now what is the meaning of underwrite the issue of securities means, now suppose if a company is going to issue 1000 shares, तो जब तक कि कंपनी का 1000 शेयर पूरा का पूरा इशू नहीं हो जाता है, कंपनी विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेक द मनी फ्रॉम देयर इन्वेस्टर्स. ओके, 1000 शेयर में से अगर कंपनी का 800 शेयर बिक गया, 200 बच गया, बट स्टिल कंपनी विल नॉट बी एबल टू इशू द शेयर्स. तो ये केस में क्या होगा, जो फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस है, जो रिमेनिंग शेयर्स है, दे विल अंडरराइट, दे विल परचेज दो शेयर्स. उसको बोलते हैं अंडरराइट ऑफ शेयर्स, अंडरराइटिंग ऑफ शेयर्स. ओके, टू लेंड मनी, सबको पता है फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन गिव्स द मनी टू द कॉर्पोरेट बिजनेसेस और ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. टू गारंटी टर्म लोन्स रेज्ड बाय कंपनी. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, गारंटी टर्म लोन्स रेज्ड बाय कंपनी. सपोज इफ अ कंपनी हैव टेकन लोन फ्रॉम एनी इंस्टीट्यूशन, if a company wants to take a loan from any institution, so here financial institution also helps by giving the guarantee. Okay, so these are 5, you can say, assistance from financial institution to the organizations. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can you can prepare your notes, and still if you have any doubt, if you fail to understand anything, you can ask me in comment section. Till then, thank you very much, students.